Welcome to Wealthily Activated. You are already wealthy. Now allow it. Many people experience what feels like a wealth lag. They do the inner work. They shift their mindset. They feel more aligned than ever. Yet the money still seems delayed. This delay is not punishment. It is not a test. And it is not a sign that manifestation failed. It is a reflection of something very specific. Neville Goddard taught that consciousness is the only reality, and reality moves only when the state is stabilized. The wealth lag happens when the inner shift has occurred, but the state has not yet become familiar. Most people think manifestation is instant, the moment they change a belief. But beliefs do not manifest. States do. And states require normalization. When you change an assumption, your inner world adjusts first. Your nervous system recalibrates. Your expectations reorganize. Your identity settles. Only then does the outer world follow. This period between the inner shift and the outer reflection is what people call the delay. But it is not delay. It is integration. If money were to arrive before the state stabilized, it would feel threatening, overwhelming, temporary. The subconscious protects against instability, even when the outcome is positive. This is why many people receive money and lose it quickly. The state was not ready to hold it. The wealth lag exists to create familiarity, to allow calm to become normal, to allow ease to feel ordinary, to allow expectation to replace urgency. Here is the truth most people miss. The money does not move until the nervous system stops scanning for proof, scanning for timing, scanning for confirmation. That scanning keeps the state unfinished. Neville said, "Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled." That feeling is not excitement. It is relief. Relief means nothing is pending. If you are checking when money will arrive, the state is still incomplete, and reality mirrors that incompletion. This does not mean you are doing something wrong. It means you are in the final adjustment phase. During the wealth lag, your task is not to affirm harder or visualize more. Your task is to remain settled. Settled looks like this. You stop rushing decisions. You stop mentally negotiating timing. You stop treating money as the condition for peace. Instead, you normalize support. Say quietly, "There is no rush. Things are handled. I trust the unfolding." These statements signal completion. When completion is assumed, movement begins. Another reason the wealth lag happens is identity overlap. Part of you has shifted into abundance, while another part still identifies with struggle. This creates internal friction. The solution is not to fight the old identity, but to stop feeding it. You do this by choosing calm responses, even when money has not yet shown up. Calm repeated becomes familiar. Familiar becomes identity. identity becomes reality. Neville taught persistence in the state, not persistence in thought. Return again and again to the feeling that things are handled. If money feels delayed, ask yourself this gently. Do I feel like life is on hold until money arrives? If the answer is yes, the state is still conditional. Wealth arrives when it is no longer required. To validate your peace, this is the paradox. The moment money stops being the proof, it becomes the outcome. The wealth lag ends when the state becomes ordinary, not exciting, not dramatic, normal. When wealth arrives, it often feels anticlimactic. That is how you know the state was assumed. You are not behind. You are not blocked. You are integrating a new identity. Remain calm. Remain steady. Remain in expectation. The outer world is adjusting. The lag is not resistance. It is alignment completing itself. Trust the process. Remain there. It is done.